This 2017 Newmar Ventana 3709 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Antiquity Decor, Manhattan Glaze Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, external shower, auxiliary battery, skylight, leveling jacks, TV, water heater, stove top burner, slideout, air conditioning, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2017 Newmar Ventana 3709 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.